Hello guys and Assalamualaikum. My name is Samir Hafiz. Today I would like to present about insertion sort. So my subject is data structure and algorithm BMMW3843. So first I would like to introduce our teammate. First Muhammad Hazimi Hilmi bin Marpuzi, and then Amirul Hafiz bin Tajul Nizam. Next Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Idris. Last but not least Muhammad Hazim bin Musa. Then I would like to tell you guys about the definition of algorithm. Usually in mathematics and computer science, algorithm is a finite sequence of well-defined computer implementable instruction. It typically will solve a problem and perform a computation. Algorithms are always unambiguous and used in specification performing usually used in calculating and data processing, also automatic reasoning, and etc. It is also an effective method. An algorithm can be expressed within a finite amount of space and time in a well-defined formal language or calculating function. Then I would like to pass to my friend. Next. Thank you.
What is an insertion sort? A simple sorting algorithm that builds the final sorting array or list one item at a time. It is much less efficient on last list than more advanced algorithms such as quick sort, heap sort, and merge sort. Alright, we go to the advantage of insertion sort that have 4 advantages. First is a simple implementation, such as show a 3 lines C version and 5 line optimizing version. And then we go to the efficient. There is a 4 small data set, much like other quadratic sorting. And then adaptive is efficient for data set that are already. And then the last is stable, does not change the relative order of element which equal key.
So today I would like to tell about insertion sort versus selection sort. For insertion sort, a simple sorting algorithm that builds the final sorted list by transferring one element at a time. Transfers an element at time to the partially sorted array. Next, insertion sort is more efficient than selection sort. And lastly, it is complex than selection sort. Next, the opposite of insertion sort is selection sort, which is selection sort is a simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly searches remaining items to find the smallest element and moves it to the correct location. Selection sort finds the least element and moving it accordingly. It is less efficient than insertion sort. And lastly, selection sort is simpler than insertion sort. Next, I would like to give to my friend to present the next chapter.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazim Hilmi, and in this video I'm going to explain our code for our application. So we choose to use insertion sorting to create a student score sorter. So this application will sort the student score from lowest to the highest. So first of all, we have a class for student, and we declare 3 variables, which is metric number, student name, and score. And right here we have the input function. So this is where we will enter the student name, the metric number, and the student's score. Down here we have the output function, we include the IO manipulator so that we can use the function set with just so that the results can be more pleasing. Then we have a function for return score. Right here we have the insertion sorting function itself. This is where the sorting is happening. This is function for the sorting. So if the array size is above 20, the system will overflow. So we set this application to allow only maximum 20 students at a time. And the reason why we do that is because insertion can be efficient, but if the array size is too large or too big, it will become inefficient. And here is the calculation for the insertion sorting. Yeah, and down here we have the main function. So next we added a switch function, which basically allow the user to choose if they want to exit the program or they want to continue with the sorting. So case 1, if the user press 1, the sorting will continue, and if they want to exit, they can press 2. And also after the calculation is done, after the sorting is done, they can, if they wish to continue, they can just press Y, and it will they can do another sorting. So let us demonstrate. So this is the application itself. So first it has to enter the number of students. So for example, we're gonna choose 5 and we're gonna press enter. Now we have to enter the students details. So let's see, we put Ali for the first name, and metric number, we use 4-digit number, although it is the metric number is declared as character. So but we're just gonna use numbers. So let's say 0078, and the score 67. Then we can do the second students. Let's say Abu, metric number 8946, score let's say 89, and then metric number 002334, score let's say 90, and then we can put Hafiz, metric number 45467, score 46. The last one is, let's say, Chong, metric number 2, score 85, and then we press enter. So the application will ask to enter 1 or 2. So if we press 1, the insertion sorting will will happen, and it will show us the result. And if we press 2, the application will exit, so we're gonna need to press 1. And here is the results. So as you can see, the score is basically is sorted from the lowest to the highest. And then if we wish to continue, we can press Y and we can start all over again. So that's all from me, and thank you for listening.